I'm Matt Ravenscroft, one of the shoulder surgeons here at the Orth Team Centre. And one of the more common procedures we do in shoulder surgery is arthroscopic rotator cuff repairs. It's a day case procedure designed to repair torn tendons. Occasionally, we see that the tendons, sometimes they're not very good quality, or sometimes when we repair the tendon, they can sometimes fail. They can just re-tear. So one of our options going forward is to try and stop that happening, to try and reduce the re-tear rate following a rotator cuff repair. So the shoulder consultants at the Orth Team Centre, in order to try and reduce the re-tear rate, we're putting patches on top of our cuff repairs, so we're augmenting them. So it's an augmented cuff repair. And the analogy I use for patients is if you had a threadbare part of the elbow in your jacket, you wouldn't just stitch it, you'd stitch it and you put a leather patch over it. So we're doing the same in shoulders. We're repairing the tendon, then we're putting a patch on top to reinforce it, to strengthen it, to improve the biology, and to reduce the re-tear rate. We have to get a graft, and we have to fold that up with lots of sutures attached and get it through a small hole, about a 9 or 10 millimeter hole, and then we have to unfold it in the shoulder and then fix it onto the tendon. We need to try and design something or make something that will make the procedure easier for surgeons to do. So if it's easier to do and it's quicker to do, it's better for the patient. Less operative time reduces patient morbidity. So we want a quick, easy method of getting a graft into the shoulder. So my first concept was using a glue stick. So this is in the folded position, which is how we get it into the shoulder through the cannula. And then we unfold it. It's held flat on the shoulder, and then we fix it onto the tendon. So essentially we have a folding and unfolding mechanism. And I showed this to the engineers and the owner of Arthrex, the company I work with in sports medicine. And very soon we had a working prototype, and now the definitive prototype is quite similar to my original. You have a folded position and an unfolded position to get the graft into the shoulder. So it's essentially a folding, unfolding device which reproducibly delivers the graft into the shoulder without twisting or tangling, allowing you to fix it safely and reproducibly.
This video shows the final product being used by myself for the first time in the UK. It's on an Orth Team patient at Spire Manchester. You can see the graft being introduced into the shoulder, opened out and held there for fixation onto the rotator cuff tendon.